Hello beautiful lovers of good things, welcome back to another recipe. Cow food pepper sauce, roast or without roasting. You can still enjoy this. If you want to know how I prepare this, stay tuned to this video and don't go anywhere. To my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my cow food sauce. Yes, cow food sauce. The importance of this cow food sauce, I'm also going to share with you how you can enjoy your cow food even without roasting. Yes, without roasting. Before, I don't eat cow food, not just because I don't like it. I am so lazy to roast it or too tired to roast it. And in where I live in Italy, they don't roast cow legs. You can just buy it like that and you roast it yourself. I am too tired to do that. So I later found out that you can also eat cow leg even without roasting it. Yes, you can also enjoy it. I have my fresh cow food here. I have the fresh one because if you want to touch some on the fire, you can see I have two types of cow food here. I have the one I touch with fire because there was a lot of hair. If you find out there is a lot of hair, you can touch it on fire. You can see I touch all this on the fire and I decided to leave this fresh one. So you can see, if you are someone like me who is so tired to roast your cow feet, I'm telling you that you can also enjoy your cow food without roasting it. So let's get started without taking much time. This is the cow food. This is really looking good. My 3 scotch bonnet pepper. I have my onions. I have my red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. I have my 2 types of onions here, which is the white onions and the red onions. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to make use of them. The other important ingredient is palm oil. I'm going to be using palm oil. I don't know if you have tried this, but if you have not tried it, this is so good. I tried it once and it was so perfect. And this recipe, there was a time I feel like changing how I make my cow food, and I went to YouTube and I make a search of this cow food sauce. I saw Janet Ubeji. She is a lovely content creator. I saw her using palm oil for her cow food sauce. I tried it once and I like it. I find it so delicious and interesting. So I decided to also be using palm oil sometimes for my cow food. And a shout out to Janet Ubeji. If you don't know Janet Ubeji, she is a content creator. Wonderful one as that. She's into food, lifestyles, and every other thing you would like to see. If you have not yet subscribed to her, I'm going to drop her link in the description box. Go and check her out. You are going to find her content amazing. So guys, let's go ahead with this recipe. The next ingredient is my garlic. I have my garlic and my ginger. If you don't like all this, you can also skip it. You can also use the powdered ginger. You can also use the powdered ginger. The next ingredient is my aroma. Yes, my aroma. I have my salt and Maggi cube. I decided to spice my cow food with some local spices, which is crayfish and some local spices which I blended together. So this is it. If you want to know the spices that is here, let me know at the comment section. I will be glad to let you know how I mixed all the local spices that you are just seeing right now. I also have my black pepper, so I'm going to be adding it as well. These are the ingredients we are going to be using for this cow food pepper sauce. Yes, this is so sweet. Before we go ahead into this video, I would like to say a very big thank you to all of you that support this channel, my new subscribers, my old subscribers, those one that is joining as we are doing this video. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for always coming back to watch my video, for subscribing. May the Lord God Almighty bless you. And please, my beautiful lovers, we are on our road to 2K. Please guys, if you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. It's absolutely free of charge. The reason you are subscribing is for you to be notified anytime I put on a new video. Put on your notification bell on. As you do, thank you. We are going to go ahead and add all the cow food. These have been washed. This time I will add water. This really needs enough time to cook because cow leg is so hard. So you are going to leave it for some time to cook so that it will be soft. I will be adding my aroma. I'll be adding my aromato. I don't want to add salt. That is the reason I am adding this, because this is filled up with salt. I will also be adding my black pepper. I'm going to cover it, and at this stage my gas is on already. We are going to cover it and let it cook for an hour or more than. All these have been washed. It has been washed and maintained. I'm going to go ahead and slice everything inside my blender. And this is the onions. I'm going to slice everything. As I allowed my pepper to blend, I will go ahead and chop my onions. So the cow food have been cooking for less than an hour now. You can see the sauce is dry. And this is the garlic. Remember, I did not blend it with the pepper and the tomatoes. I just dice it separately. You can see this. I will remove the bones of those one that is able for me to remove. Then I will leave the rest and I will dice it to my taste. So stay tuned and let's get started. Not too much. As you can see, this has been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll go ahead and add the rest ingredients. I'll add my one barbecue. I'll add little salt. I'll add my crayfish and local ingredients. And this is optional. This is a local spicy. I love it when I add it to my cow food sauce. The excess water have almost dried, but I don't want it to just dry because I want the sauce to enter inside the cow food so that the sauce can go inside as well. You can decide to remove the bone. When I'm eating my cow food, I love it with bone. Oh my god, this is the oil from those marrow. I'll be adding it. You can see there is enough sauce. There is enough sauce that will be enough for you to feel the sweetness in this food. We are going to add our onions now. You can decide to skip this. You guys know I love onions so well. So beautiful lovers, this is the outcome of this cow food pepper sauce. I tell you, this was so delicious, and if you have not tried it, go ahead and give it a try. With palm oil, you are going to enjoy it. With roasting or without roasting, this is going to be perfect. So we have come to the end of this video. If you do enjoy it, you love what you just watched, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. You are also free to share out this video to your friends and family. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.